Hello, in this video we're gonna test if POCO F4 has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here on the top. It's this two gaps. Now the second should be on the bottom right here, and the third one is a phone call speaker right here, but this one won't probably count. So now to determine if it's a stereo speaker or mono speaker, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and determine if the sound is coming from one source or two. If it's coming from one, it's a mono speaker. If it's coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speakers. So now let's play some music. Try covering the speakers. So clearly the sound's coming from both of the sources, so that's a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.